Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Analytics to your website. This is so important. Cannot stress it enough. Knowing what your website is doing and how it's working for you is just so important. And it's something that you want to continually check as your business progresses. So with your Google Analytics, you will be able to tell like where your referral traffic is coming from, so that way you can adjust it accordingly. How many views you're getting to your website. So obviously, the more views, maybe the more leads. What's your bounce rate? So if your bounce rate is really high, then that means that people are coming to your site and then leaving it immediately. Means they're not finding what they want. So there's a disconnect there. It's just a really great way to analyze your traffic and know what's working for you and what's not working for you. So today we're going to cover how to connect that. So we're going to go to Google Analytics. Want to sign up. We want a website. This is our tracking ID, so this will be our website name. The URL. If you're confused about this, just go to your website and then you want to look to see what this is. So it has the S. This business. We're on Central Time. And we're going to get our ID tracking. So then we're going to take this number and we're going to add it to our website. So you will have a code with your Google Analytics. It will start with this UA. You will insert that into your website building platforms. For example, I know with WordPress, you can download a plugin that's your Google Analytics plugin, and then you would put in that code. With Wix, it's a little bit different, but doable. You go over here to Website Plan Premium, Manage Plan. So once you get your site verified, you can connect it to Google. You'd go to Marketing Integrations, Google Analytics, go for it. Connect your Google Analytics. Here's your code. And you're now connected.